This Hofacker Associates Incorporated property video is presented by Craig Williams. Newly completed spectacular home in Clearwater. This beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bath home with 10-foot ceilings throughout. The open floor plan with large kitchen with stone tops and stainless appliances overlooking family room. The den/office could be converted into 4th bedroom. The flooring is porcelain tile throughout home with tray ceilings. The laundry room is inside home. 2-car garage. This is not a flood zone, beautifully located on a corner lot. The builder is offering a 1-year home warranty up to $500. For more information, review the details below or contact Craig Williams at 813-340-0956.